This is a Wi-Fi camera, pan and tilt, and we're going to open it up, show you what you get inside, and show you what it looks like in a brief detail. You're looking to secure your area, warehouse, etc., etc. This may be right for you. Let's open it up, show you what it looks like. 3 anchors and screws, 1 port charger, plenty of cable. Indoor-outdoor use. This part right here is not IP rated. Will go inside, so please make sure you put this in correctly to a wall and drill your holes. An instruction guide. The Panoraxy camera that has a film protector that you're going to peel off. A microphone, a sensor, the lens, 4 LED lights, an infrared, speaker, your reset, and yes, the XC card storage. On the back of the unit, keyholes that you're going to put in your screws and lock it onto a wall. In the settings, the cog, you can go over all the features and function that this unit has. You have a light setting, which I always like to go over, and it goes on for 30 seconds, automatic. You have an image setting, motion tracking, and so forth. You could screen flip, which I have the camera upside down right now. Motion tracking will be on, it's successful. If I go to the next screen, I have screenshot, intercom, record, motion detection, PTC, pan, tilt, and zoom. Hey, I'm Fish. Here I am. 82%, bitrate 68K. We're going to pick a spot on the wall, and what we're going to do is nail this down our way. You get the provided stuff. This way it secures it on there. Don't over tighten things, just make sure they're tight enough. We're going to allow time for the unit to initiate, and there we go. We have a color, pure nighttime. And you can see the lantern all in color. And there's night vision. We're looking at night vision. We're gonna wanna, scan around, see if there's any activity. I have a light that's on in the garage. You're looking for security, night vision, color vision, so forth, motion detection, following around. This is the camera that may be right for you. The antennas, they move all around. They just don't fold straight down. They got a nice mounting system, long enough wire to hook up to 5-volt USB port to an AC outlet. And this has a light and a lot of features located in the app. I hope you enjoy your product if this is right for you.